flapping bird. So first, the things that you need for make this flapping bird is some papers. At least you need 4 papers. And then you're gonna need scissors. This thing is to cut this paper. And then next you're gonna need pencil for drawing the pattern. And then you're gonna need magic saw. And then you're gonna need this paint brushes. And actually you're gonna need this palette for decorating the triplets or the yeah. And then you're gonna need some acrylic paint. Okay, the colors is optional. I'm gonna advise you to use this acrylic paint rather than not using it. And the last, you're gonna need this. Yeah. First, we're gonna make the part of the body suit. The second step is we're gonna cut the thing that we already give pattern in the paper. Ta-da! Alhamdulillah, I already made the part of the bird. It's a wing. And I already make the bird tail and also the bird's body. And the next step, we're gonna make the pattern on this plywood that we already make in the paper. Alhamdulillah, I already make the patterns in this plywood. Wow! This step, I'm gonna cut this plywood using this magic saw. You guys gonna need some parent supervision because this thing is too dangerous and it's too sharp. So let's go. Oh, can I put this? Patterns for the part of the bird. So I'm gonna cut again this to follow the lines. So it's gonna make the perfect shape. The following lines, so it's gonna make the perfect shape. But you guys must be careful.